Hi, this is Bimal again. Welcome to day 4 of the 5-day breakthrough challenge. I'm so excited to be on this journey with you. And now, if you reach to day 4, you're making great progress. And I want to help you achieve a breakthrough in just 5 days. So, this is day 4 of the 5-day breakthrough challenge. So, today I'm going to walk you through the steps. You probably by now have researched the capabilities, you've identified your goals, the obstacles, the strategies. You've probably learned how to scale or you've done it. Now it's time to address and make sure that you get it to the finish line. So in this day 4, you have to assess what's working. If you have worked on some strategies, identify what's working, what's not working. Business is only about 2 things: what works, what doesn't work. If something that doesn't work, you got to stop doing it or find another way to do it. So this is the time to evaluate that, and also think about asking the questions while you're working on this whole process. Things that you should have never started, things you should have never done it. So those are lessons to learn and lessons to implement, and things that, knowing what you know now, if you're to do this all over again, what would you do differently and what would help you scale it and improve it? The next step is less is more. So eliminate the stuff that you've been doing. Maybe if you're stressed out that you still got a lot more to do and you're not going to achieve the end result and you only have 2 more days to go, think about what can you eliminate. Less is more. At the same time, just do it. There's a lot of strength in just doing it and implementing it. Many a times we get stuck in our beliefs. We're not going to get there. This is not going to happen. Get away from the can'ts. Success comes in cans, not in cannots. So just do it, whatever time it takes. Also, I have included in this video, and if you look at the form below, there's a link to the Process Innovator tool. It helps you walk you through from start to finish what you need to do in the entire process and see what you're not doing correctly, so to help you assess what's not working and make some better improvements. Use that tool. Last piece, go the extra mile. There is no traffic in the extra mile. People who leave early before the rush hour, reach early, reach on time. People who are leaving during the rush hour are always late. So there is no traffic in the extra mile. Just go there, seek help, and utilize the tools that I have provided. So there is, many times you get stuck on the how, and another word you can make from how is who. So when you get stuck on the how, think who can help you. I'm here to assist you in all the resources, all the tools. We have more than 200 thinking tools and systems that can help you achieve your goals and utilize those tools, resources, and systems. So you're at now day 4, and finally tomorrow will be day 5. We'll get to the finish line. So I will help you achieve the 5-day breakthrough tomorrow. See you tomorrow.